Hey guys, I'm Jam, JeromeMancheta.com, and today mag-unbox naman tayo ng hands-on ng Asus Transformer Book Flip. This is the i3 version. This is the entry-level Transformer Book Flip. So, i-unbox ko mamaya, pero specs muna. So, hindi ko solo kasi there are a lot of variants ng Asus Transformer Book Flip, but this one is the i3 version for the Philippines with an HD display. So, first things first, the specifications. It has a Intel Core i3 4010U, that's 4010U processor. There's a 13.3 HD IPS display, that's 1366 by 768, and yes, touchscreen po siya. And well, yeah, obviously it's a touchscreen since this is a laptop that you could even rotate the display 360 degrees siya. So obviously touchscreen na siya. So there's an Intel HD Graphics 4400, but if you opt for the i5 version, you could get a GPU na GeForce 820, pero mas mahal yun syempre. So this one has a 4GB DDR3 RAM. There's a 500GB what's this? Hard disk, yes, hard disk, and there's no optical drive, unfortunately, sa mga naghahanap. Pero most of us doesn't use optical drive anymore. It's only available in black. There's USB 3.0, Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi, and it comes with a Bluetooth. It comes with a notebook bag. The current SRP of this device is 26,995. That's 27,000. Pero for 27,000, I could really say it's quite good. I've already used it, pero I'll just unbox it again just for you guys, and I'm gonna show you the Asus Transformer Book Flip. So tara! Ano ba? Ba't ba ako salita pa na salita? Let's unbox this device. Tingnan natin how good the Asus Transformer Book Flip is. So tara, let's unbox this device and let's take a look on what's inside this box. Well, that's unbox, right? Unbox and taking a look inside the box. Anyway, so tara, i-unbox na natin ang Asus Transformer Book Flip i3 variant. So tara. Alright guys, so I'm gonna open the box na of the Asus Transformer Book Flip. So the box is quite big for my table, kaya medyo pagbigyan nyo na ako if may parts na hindi kayo makita. Pero yan, here's the Asus Transformer Book Flip. Yan, so ayan po. Mamaya check natin. So buksan muna natin kung ano meron sa loob ng box. So actually ito tanggal, and then ito lang naman yung meron dyan, sa totoo lang. We have the charger, and it reminds me of the MacBook kasi dulo lang yung meron, hindi na siya adapter, wired, and may wire pa dito. So very portable. I prefer this mga chargers na ganito ang design. So ano pa ba meron? We have here the cable tie para sa mga cable syempre, and of course the warranty card and everything, the notebook PC, blah blah blah. So dito naman tayo ulit sa Asus Transformer Book Flip. Actually, binuksan ko na siya. So, bago ko siya buksan, i-tour ko muna kayo kung ano makikita nyo sa Asus Transformer Book Flip. So, sa taas, you could see na metal design. Yes, that's metal. Ang ganda niya, it's brush metal, pero what's this? I guess may scratch na agad siya. I'm not sure, medyo madali yata ma-scratch to, pero all I can say is, madali talaga siyang ma-attract sa mga fingerprint. Yes, madali. Sobrang dali niya ma-attract sa mga fingerprints. So, hindi ako magtataka kung marami ng gasgas to very soon. So, dito sa sides, meron siyang, well, this, the lock para sa laptop, the USB 2.0, SD card slot, there's the Windows button, volume button, the power button. So, kaya nandito sa sides na to dahil sa tablet mode, which is papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, sa unahan, we have here, the loading, yung, well, basically the processing na, yeah, light, humila kasi bukas, the battery for if nagcha-charge. I'm sorry, that's, I don't know what that is. This is pala sa processing, I'm not sure what this thing is. So, I guess, ito yung power button if nakabukas. And then, sa kabilang side, we have here the mic, 3.5mm audio jack, USB 3.0, which is dalawa, HDMI, and of course, the charger. So, sa ilalim, it's very neat. Wala kayong makikitang, well, it's a neat design, 4 rubbers, grill here. So, yeah, buksan na natin si Asus Transformer Book Flip. Alright, guys. So, by the way, sa unahan, we have here the rubber para sa shared viewer mode mamaya na papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so, buksan na natin. Ayan, guys. So, Ayan po guys ang display ng Asus Transformer Book Flip. Ayan, so mapapansin nyo, silang ko lang para makita nyo lang. Pero again, dito muna tayo sa keyboard. Alright guys, so sa keyboard, actually this reminds, the layout is, the keyboard layout reminds me of the MacBook Pro, which is yung una MacBook Pro. Actually, until now, there's an isolated keyboard design, that's chiclet keyboard design. As you can see, meron tayo sticker na HDMI, the Core i3. We have the rubber here, siguro para well, pag pinatong niyo siya, pag kinulose niyo siya, hindi masyado magagasgasan yung sides ng Transformer Book Flip. It's made, this one is made up of metal. I'm not sure if this is metal or plastic, pero the feel is very similar to the MacBook Pro. It's metal, I guess. The touchpad is very smooth. Maganda yung touchpad niya, medyo may kalakihan, pero sana na-extend pa hanggang dito. Mas maganda, mas malaki. I'm annoyed na meron tayo ditong sticker. Pero yan, ito yung features niya. 360-degree flip, tough construction, which is metallic sa likod, and Sonic Master Sound. There's 500 gigs of internal storage. Windows 8, yes, it's Windows 8. There's an Intel Core i3 4010U 1.7 GHz, blah blah blah, 4 gigs of RAM. So, ang gusto ko dito is sa price look. Para siyang, sobrang kintam niya. Sobrang premium tignan ng touchpad. Kasi meron siya nung para sa sides. Siguro it's just me, pero gusto ko yung touchpad niya. And then dito sa taas, we have here the 13.3-inch HD display, 1366 by 768. And this is the 4 type na hinge. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nagwo-work yan. And then, medyo malaki yung bezels sa baba. Ang pansin ko, medyo malaki sa baba. Pero sa sides, okay naman din sa top. Actually, mayroon pa nga touchscreen sticker, which is tatanggalin ko na. Kasi annoying. And then, we have the camera here. Ayan, sa taas. And of course, meron siyang LED sa tabihan if nakabukas yung camera. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung 4 modes ng Asus Transformer Book Flip. So this is the first one, the laptop mode. So I'm gonna zoom out muna. Ayan. So guys, this is the laptop mode ng Asus Transformer Book Flip. And then pwede natin gawing shared viewer mode, which is ganito. Ayan. So yan, shared viewer. So hindi kayo masyado mag-aalala sa kanyang gasgas dito kasi may rubber siya dito. So may elevation siya, hindi siya dumidikit dun sa surface. Unless na lang medyo naka-elevate yung surface nyo. Pero this one, meron siya rubber dito. So hindi kayo masyado mag-aalala. Pero sa likod, mag-aalala kayo kasi wala siyang rubber dito sa, yan, wala siyang rubber dito. So medyo baka magasgasan yan nung pag lagi kayo naka-shared viewer mode. I'm not sure if this is shared viewer. Yes, I guess. And then this is the tablet mode. Basically, and obviously, tablet mode is tablet mode. Ayan ang tablet mode. Ayan, so ayan po yung isang mode ng Asus Transformer Book Flip. Actually, maganda, sobrang ganda ng ano niya. Nung kanyang hinge. Nagugustuhan ko kasi pwede ako mag-extend kung naman gusto ko, pero mas prefer ko yung ganito pag nanonood ng movies. Ang isa pa is pag kumakain ako ng breakfast, mas gusto ko yung ganito mode. Ayan. So, yan, nasa likod yung keyboard. Huwag kayong mag-alala with regarding sa keyboard because if nakaiba siyang mode, hindi gagana yung keyboard like this one. Hindi siya gumagana. So, nadidetect ng Asus kung ano yung mode nung Asus Transformer Book Flip. So malalaman niya if hindi ba dapat gumana yung keyboard. So even naka-tablet mode kayo, kahit mag-type ako dito, hindi siya gagana dito sa unahan. So I guess bumalik na tayo sa desktop. Ayan, so ang isa pang ayoko dito sa Asus Transformer Book Flip is yung kanyang display, which is, what do you call that? Medyo hindi maganda yung viewing angles niya. Sa totoo lang. I'm not sure if you hindi nyo masyadong papansin, pero the viewing angles of the Asus Transformer Book Flip isn't that good. It's 1366 by 768, so in today's standards, medyo mali siya. Because a smartphone, some smartphones already have a 1080p display. This one is just at 1366 by 768. So ilalagin ko lang yung account ko for Windows. So baka makita nyo. Ayan. So there you go. That's Jam Online. It's responsive. The touchscreen is responsive. I've tried some games including Skyrim pa lang, and well, my favorite, Yuri's Revenge, and I'm quite happy with it. The performance is quite good. Pero again, hindi siya highest settings at Skyrim. I got the lowest settings at 1366 by 768. And of course, pwede kayo mag-install apps from the Windows Store. Yung hard disk niya is 500 GB, naka-partition na siya. So 250 and 250, we got well 500, 250 plus. So what I have here is yung kanya call it 115 gigs. Well, basically na-install ako ng some apps and games. Well, dito naman nakahati din yung data nung isa pa. That's the other 250. Again, hindi ko na gusto yung display niya. Medyo mababa lang din yung brightness niya. Actually, this is the highest ng brightness nung Asus Transformer Book Flip. So far, gusto ko yung design niya, gusto ko yung construction niya. I like the metal design nito. Pero ang ayoko lang dito is yung kanya display. So probably if you want some power, you could go for the i5 version or the 15-inch version, which is an i7 na processor na yan. And well, it's NVIDIA GeForce 820. So I guess that's it for this video sa hands-on and unboxing na Asus Transformer Book Flip. So, if you want to know more about this device, antayin niyo po yung review ko sa JeromeMancheta.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. And of course, don't forget to check out my website. There we go. That's my website, JeromeMancheta.com. So, don't forget to check that out. Marami po akong balita. Minsan busy ako, minsan hindi, pero madalas busy ako. So, anyway, I'm Jam, JeromeMancheta.com. And thanks for watching the unboxing and hands-on of the Asus Transformer Book Flip.